Let's solve this question next. The question says find equation of line joining 1, 2 and 3, 6 using determinants. Now how are we supposed to find the equation of line? The approach is pretty simple. It is related to collinearity. Collinearity, yes. Let's say we have a point A and another point B over here, right? And if we want the equation of line, we basically are looking for some point P having coordinates x, y. If these are given, find coordinates of any random P having coordinates x, y such that points P, A, B are collinear. If you can manage that, then the relation in terms of x and y, that linear relation will actually be the equation of this line. So that's a simple idea, and using that idea, let's solve this question. What do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 6 and another point, that is P, x, y. So we have A, 1, 2, B, 3, 6, and let P, x, y lie on the line. Therefore, P, A, B are collinear. That's the condition that I need to apply, which implies that area of triangle PAB is 0, or you can say alternatively that the determinant that is formed, half times determinant is 0, or the determinant is simply 0. The value of the determinant is simply 0. That is 1, 2, 3, 6, x, y, and you have a 1, 1, 1. This is what you have, right? Is that okay? Yes. And let's solve this. It's pretty easy to solve this one. What we can do is, let's get rid of this. Okay, this is not required. So next, what I can do is I can simply expand along the last row. Can I? Yes. So what I'll have is plus minus, the sign will be plus x. Okay, and you'll have a determinant over here which is 2, 1, 6, 1. 2, 1, 6, 1 minus y times 1, 3, 1, 1. That's what you have. 1, 3, 1, 1 plus 1 times 1, 2, 3, 6. This is what you have. This value is simply 0. That will give me the final equation very easily. What is that equal to? Let's observe this is 2 minus 6, which is minus 4x. Then you have a minus 5, 1 minus 3, which is minus 2. Okay, and you have a plus 1, 6 minus 6 equals 0. This is what I'm getting, right? What does that give me? This is minus 4x plus 2y and plus 0 equals 0. Or you can say that this 4x will go that side. 2y equals 4x, or y equals 2 times x is the required equation of line joining these 2 points, 1, 2 and 3, 6. This is a line y is equal to 2x. Is that all? Yes, that's all that you have over there. Using the determinant form, you can find the equation very easily of this line having these 2 points, 1, 2 and 3, 6 lying on it. Given any 2 points, you can find that. Let's move on to the next question after this. The question says find equation of line joining 3, 1 and 9, 3 using determinants. Let's use determinants once again to find the equation of line. So P, x, y, A, 3, 1 and B, 9, 3 are collinear. That's the condition that I need to apply, and on applying this condition, what I get is that a determinant value is equal to 0. Area equals 0, which implies half times determinant, or you can say the determinant is equal to 0. Okay, determinant formed using these points, right? Let's write x, y, 1. Then we can write 3, 1, and the last column will be 1, 9, 3, and the last column is 1. Oh, in the previous question, you wrote x, y at the bottom. Will it make any difference? No. I can interchange and still the value will be 0. The determinant changes in sign. Will it make any difference? Since the right hand side is 0, it will not make any difference, right? Which point should I take first? Which point should I take second? Well, it will not have no impact on this particular question, right? So we can take x, y here or here as well, right? So what you have is, let's expand along the first row. Plus x, then you have 1, 3, 1, 1 minus y plus x, 1, 3, 1, 1, y times 3, 9, 1, 1. This is the determinant. My plus 1 times 3, 1, 9, 3. This is what you get, equals 0. Let's simplify this further. This gives me x times, you get 1 minus 3, which is minus 2, minus y times 3 minus 9, 3 minus 9 is minus 6 actually. Let's write that minus 6. And plus 1 times what you get is 9 minus 9, which is simply 0, equals 0. This is what you get. This becomes minus 2x plus 6y is equal to 0, or you can say 6y is equal to 2x. Therefore, you can say that 3y is equal to x. This is the required equation. Y is equal to x by 3 or 3y equal to x is the required equation of this line joining the points 3, 1 and 9, 3. Is that all? Yes, that's all that you have in this question.